Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. I'm working today on these Celtic crosses, getting ready for Easter. Now, this transfer is a two-part or two-layer transfer. So I'm going to put the first one on, and you see me fuzzing it right there. For a new transfer, they're pretty sticky, so that's why I did that. Just take a little bit of stickiness off. I'm using bark, which is our brown, for the first layer. And then you squeegee it on, take off the excess, and pull off your transfer. Now while that's drying, I'm doing Walk by Faith. And I'm not doing the wreath on the outside, just the words on this. I was going to put a small wreath on there, but I changed my mind. Now here's the second layer, and I use grayish, and I fuzzed it really good before I put it on there. Didn't want to pull the first layer up. Doesn't that look good? I love it. Okay, now I actually use Cottontail Farms. They have a little floral pattern, and I did this in white chalk paste. I decided to use the watercolor technique. So after this was dry, which chalk paste only takes about 4 minutes to be dry, I took the colors I wanted to use and put it on that little plastic tray, and I added a little bit of water. And then with the paintbrush, you get it a little bit thinner, and I just took my time and painted this in. Light layers. You can always go back after it dries and add another to make it darker. And with watercoloring, you don't have to fill in all the spaces. It's okay to have a little open space. And there I have it done. Ready for Easter. Well, almost. I'm going to put that cottontail bunny on my door tag. That's another video. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.